Hello students. Welcome to our final lesson on modular arithmetic. Let's check out our lesson objectives for today. Remember, in our last lesson, we performed multiplication and division in modular arithmetic. For today's lesson, we shall solve some simple equations in modular arithmetic. Then, we shall learn some applications of modular arithmetic in our everyday lives. Without further delay, let us begin. Solving simple equations in modular arithmetic. Example 1. Solve 2x plus 1 equals 3 in mod 6. Solution. 2x plus 1 equals 3 mod 6. 2x alone equals 3 minus 1 mod 6. 3 minus 1 gives us 2. So, 2x equals 2 mod 6. X will now be 2 divided by 2, which gives us 1. Therefore, x equals 1 mod 6. That's quite simple, I believe. Let us solve another one. Solve x plus 5 equals 2 in mod 7. Solution. X plus 5 equals 2 mod 7. X equals 2 minus 5 mod 7. 2 minus 5 gives us minus 3. So, x equals minus 3 mod 7. But remember we said in lesson 9 that we can always add the mod value to a negative number to get the positive equivalent. Now, let's add 7 to minus 3. X will now be minus 3 plus 7, which gives us 4. Therefore, x equals 4 mod 7. That's brilliant. Let us solve yet another one. Simplify, x squared equals 1 in mod 6. Solution. X squared equals 1 mod 6. Now, x will be equal to plus or minus 1. So, x equals 1. Or, x equals minus 1. But minus 1 is a negative number. So we find the positive equivalent by adding the mod value 6. So, x equals minus 1 plus 6. This gives us 5. Therefore, x equals 1 or 5 mod 6. That's amazing. Let us now discuss the applications of modular arithmetic in everyday life. Modular arithmetic can be used to solve problems involving cyclic events. In other words, it can give solution to problems that repeat in cycles. For instance, modular arithmetic can be used to determine the next market day for a market that holds every 5 days, or as the case may be. It can be used to calculate the specific time of the day. It can also be used to determine the days of the week and for calculating the days in a year, which goes from 1 to 365 for a non-leap year. It can also be used for calculating degrees and as practical application in programming languages and calculators. Now, let us solve a practical example. If today is Thursday, what day of the week will it be in 650 days from now? Solution. Since there are 7 days in a week, we shall work in mod 7 using the number cycle below, where numbers represent days of the week. To solve this, we simply add 650 days to Thursday, which is represented by 1. So, 650 plus 1 equals 651 in mod 7. Now, 651 divided by 7 gives 93, remainder 0. Remember in modular arithmetic, we focus on the remainders, while we ignore the multiples. From our diagram, 0 represents Wednesday. Therefore, 650 days from today will be a Wednesday. That's amazing. You have done well by sticking with me this far. Now let us do some assignments. Assignment. Try solving the following assignments yourself. Using the diagram on the board, answer the following questions accordingly. If you don't get it in your first trial, don't worry. Just try again until you do. In conclusion, we have learnt how to solve simple equations in modular arithmetic. We also learnt how we can apply modular arithmetic to our everyday life. In our next lesson, we shall dive into a new topic, the standard form. Stay focused, till I see you again. And remember, learning is a journey. Thanks, and bye for now.